We studied types of racemose, out of which there is one complicated inflorescence which is called as head or capitulum, and this is characteristic of the family Asteraceae, which is also called as compositae because it consists of two types of flower on capitulum, which we call it as heterogamous head. So ray florets, disc florets is something which we already discussed. I thought I'll make the differences between them more clear for a better understanding of few extra points. So we have a good picture of the ray floret and disc floret here. There are many extra details which I can cover in this picture, as the picture itself is very informative. So disc floret, let us say, the disc florets has both, it's a bisexual flower. It has both male reproductive part and female reproductive part, whereas ray florets are sterile flowers. They either will have the male sex or will have the female sex. Sterile female flowers are more in ray florets. Now I have few informations like, apart from their sex, which we already discussed when we did the lesson, you can see the ligule type of gamopetalous condition. When we were studying types of fused petals, we were studying different types. Ligule is one, strap shaped, if you remember, which looks like a tongue is ligulate. All the petals of ray florets in a flower will combine. So this is one ray. Why is it called as ray? Because the petals of this flower will extend like tongue outside, resembling the ray. That's why they are called as ray florets. Disc florets are at the center part of the disc-like flattened peduncle, so they are disc florets. Fused petals, one ray floret flower, whatever petals it have, they will fuse and they extend like a strip outside, a tongue-shaped projection, ligule gamopetalous condition. The petals of ray florets fuse to resemble structure of a tongue is ligule gamopetalous. We did not have a very good picture of ligule in the lecture. I thought I'll show it here. And another condition, you can see pappus. Pappus is what? Pappus is modified calyx for the dispersal of seeds. So this pappus is of no use, as ray florets, irrespective of the sex, they will lack one of the sex. If there is male, there is no female. If there is female, there is no male. They lack one of the sex. So they are sterile for otherwise genetically bisexual flower. Pappus is the modification of calyx into a feathery hair-like structure to aid the dispersal of seed. So we can see pappus in both of them. Achene is fruit, is a type of fruit. In sunflower, we see achene type of fruit. Anyway, fruit is deleted syllabus since there is a labeling I told you. Got it? Yeah. So these are the few things I wanted to show about ray florets and disc florets in capitulum inflorescence.